Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to select multiple emails in Gmail. On the desktop, you can select multiple emails by holding down the Shift key and clicking on the emails you want to select. You can also select all emails in a folder by clicking on the checkmark icon at the top left corner of the email list. To deselect emails, just click on them again or click on the checkmark icon again. On mobile devices, you can select multiple emails by tapping and holding on an email until it's selected, then tapping on other emails to add them to the selection. To deselect emails, just tap on them again to remove them from the selection. Once you've selected the emails you want, you can perform various actions on them, such as archiving, marking as read, or deleting. Just click on the icons at the top of the email list on desktop, or tap on the three-dot icon at the top right corner of the email list on mobile, and select the action you want to perform. We included in description below this video several shortcuts for each action. And that's it. Thanks for watching.